Manual trading is dead. Here is how AI agents trade for you in 2026. Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're stepping right into the cutting-edge reality of algorithmic execution, and we're unpacking the digital workforce that's literally transforming modern finance as we know it.
I really want you to think about that for a second. Manual trading, it is dead. In 2026, financial markets, especially in the crypto space, they're moving at absolute light speed. We're talking about fractions of a second, dictating massive, massive market shifts. Trying to keep up as a biological human, it's not just difficult anymore, it's basically a guaranteed way to lose your capital. The sheer velocity of data out there is just completely overwhelming for the human brain to process in real time.
Okay, let's dive into this, because the only real solution to this biological limitation is the algorithmic reality we now live in. In today's Explainer, we're unpacking one of the most requested, yet honestly most misunderstood technologies out there, the autonomous AI trading agent. We are going to break down exactly how these systems operate and how they manage wealth while you just, step away from the screen.
Let's start with Section 1, the end of manual trading.
Just look at the stark contrast in the physical and mental toll here. Over on the left, you got the old way, right? Manual human trading. That meant spending 8 exhausting hours staring at glowing charts, fighting relentless anxiety. You panic sell during a flash crash, or maybe you get way too greedy during a bull run. I mean, it's human nature. But on the right, automated execution operates at absolute light speed. It replaces all the exhaustion of the human experience with cold, flawless mathematical execution. Moving on to Section 2, the autonomous digital worker. So what exactly is an autonomous trading agent? At its core, it's a specialized digital worker. It connects directly to your cryptocurrency exchanges using highly secure API keys. And this is key. It means it can execute trades on your behalf without ever having the ability to withdraw your funds. It's essentially a read-only wealth builder. But its real superpower is its mindset. Unlike us humans, this digital worker never sleeps. It doesn't need coffee breaks. It operates purely on cold mathematical logic. It just executes the plan. No panic, no greed. Which brings us to Section 3, grid agents and capturing volatility. And this brilliantly illustrates exactly how you can weaponize market chaos. A grid agent works by placing this matrix of buy and sell orders within a specific price range that you define. Think of it like throwing a massive fishing net right over a section of the market. As the market naturally fluctuates up and down, which, let's face it always does, the agent automatically executes micro trades. We're talking sometimes hundreds in a single day. It's systematically capturing small profits on every single price swing, day and night, 24/7. Next up, Section 4, DCA agents and long-term accumulation. Now, while microtrading is fantastic for those sideways, volatile markets, building lasting wealth requires a totally different approach. Dollar-cost averaging, or DCA agents, are designed specifically for long-term accumulation. Instead of trading every tiny little swing, these agents purchase assets at calculated intervals. By buying automatically, scoring more of an asset when the price dips and less when it spikes, it mathematically lowers your average entry price over time. It completely removes the stress of trying to perfectly time the market. It's simply a strategy built for steady wealth generation, completely without the anxiety.
Let's see how these actually build a complete portfolio. Because these aren't competing ideas at all. They serve very specific mathematical purposes. Your grid agent? That's your volatility hunter. It's capturing value in those constant 24/7 swings through microtrades. On the flip side, the DCA agent is your long-term builder, using calculated intervals to smooth out that exact same volatility. Put them together, and they represent a highly sophisticated, fully automated trading floor that's acting entirely on your behalf. Section 5, the 2026 no-code revolution. Now, I know you might be thinking, you're probably saying, this sounds amazing, but I literally have no idea how to program a computer. Well, the good news? The barrier to entry has completely vanished. Literally just 2 years ago, setting up a trading bot meant you had to write complex Python code, you had to worry about renting and maintaining cloud servers just to keep your bot running 24/7. It required some severe technical chops. But today, in 2026, modern no-code platforms have completely revolutionized the landscape. You now have access to pre-built, AI-tested trading strategies that require absolutely zero coding knowledge to deploy. 5. That is the number of minutes it now takes to go from a total blank slate to having an active AI worker in the market.
Under 5 minutes. You simply log into a no-code platform, select your parameters, securely connect your exchange via those API keys we talked about earlier, and you let the agent manage the execution. The technology does all the heavy lifting, you just give the orders.
Section 6. Launch your AI workforce. So the crucial point is this. The tools for elite-level algorithmic execution are no longer locked securely behind Wall Street doors. They're right there in your hands. The only question left is, while your AI workforce is building wealth 24/7, what are you going to do with your newfound free time? To get our free 2026 AI Agent Starter Kit and launch your first trading agent today, check the links in the description below. Subscribe for more autonomous wealth strategies.